Hey guys, welcome to our Drop Talk. I am Stacy Roop, if you don't know, and this is my good friend Bianca Mounts, and we are drop sisters, I guess. Yes. We love the drops. I know you guys probably see us share on social media a lot about the drops, and today we are going to share with you a really quick drop talk to tell you the behind the scenes with all the drops. Because we actually have more than 80 products with the drops. We have things for gut health, we have your multivitamin, your multi-mineral, we even have things for performance athletes. But the thing that gets the most attention is definitely the drops,
and
right?
Balancing those hormones.
Yes, absolutely, and so many benefits. So one of the things that sets Partner Co. apart, which is the company that markets the drops, is that we do have a health and wellness council. We have a medical director, Dr. Ray Strand, and we do actually get to have him on our calls sometimes and learn directly from him, which is amazing. But one of the things that our medical board does is ensure that our products are safe and clean. We have clinical studies and trials that are done. We have published papers that get done that when we share these products, when we talk about their effectiveness, we actually have the research to show that they in fact do those things.
Yes, so we can be confident that we're not only promoting something that we believe in because it's worked for us, but because we have that proof and backup with the doctors and
absolutely.
So.
So we get to make a pretty bold claim. We get to say that when you use these drops, you will lose 2 times the amount of weight that you would if you just followed a healthy diet. So you tell us a little bit about the drops and what you think about them.
So one of the things that I love about the drops is the fact that they're all natural and homeopathic, because I'm all about putting good things into our bodies and not chemical based or synthetic of any kind. So with them being safe and effective, stimulant free, just so beneficial for many different health areas of our lives.
So I know that having clean products is important to you, and feeling like it is something that is super safe.
Yes.
There are other benefits that come along with hormone balance outside of weight loss alone. So when you got started with the drops, did you notice any of these differences in your first month?
Oh yes. Well, within just the first few days, I had increased energy, better mood, my appetite was curbed. And then like as my first week went on, I had little to no sugar cravings, just felt good. But that first month was just amazing, all the changes that I felt. Now, when I got to the second month, I really started feeling like something almost clicked, and just my body, I noticed the inches were leaving more, and I just really felt like changes on the outer appearance was being made, to add to what I had already experienced on the inside in the beginning.
Yeah.
So it was pretty amazing.
I know one of the things that I distinctly remember was somewhere about week 3, I noticed my mood was like, I'm feeling pretty mellow today.
Yeah.
Some things were getting a little crazy. The kids were making some messes. And you know what? I was cool with it. It was like, you know what? We're just going to clean it up. It's going to be all right.
In fact, my kids actually complimented me. I remember we were going down the road one day and they were kind of having a little tiff about something, and I just handled it a lot more calm. I didn't raise my voice. And my kids were like, later that day, they were like, "Mom, you're in a good mood today." I'm like, well, so I started realizing that, that was within the first few days, like that first week, pretty much, where I noticed a difference in my mood, which, we're all different. Our body chemistry is all different. Right. So things might not always happen at the same time as somebody else.
It took me 3 weeks. I got there. So this is really a very simple system. And when I say simple, that does not mean that this is easy, but it is simple. You come with 2 bottles, and they are labeled to help you keep them straight. You have bottle 1 and you have bottle 2. Now, bottle 1, you're going to take 3 times a day. And we like to kind of program ourselves to think breakfast, lunch, and supper for bottle number 1.
Yeah.
And bottle number 2, you will do at breakfast and at lunch. Now, people get really bent out of shape on this next part. But again, it is very simple. You want to make sure that you're taking your drops from bottle number 1 10 minutes away from food or drink. So if you got up and you drank your morning coffee, you're gonna stop, maybe get a sip of water and cleanse out your mouth, wait 10 minutes, do drops from bottle number 1.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna wait 10 minutes, do your drops from bottle number 2, and then you can eat or whatever else you want. It is pretty simple. You're gonna do the same thing at lunchtime. Now, the question that I always get is, and I don't know how your life is, but what if I don't eat 3 meals a day? Still take your drops.
Get them in the body.
That's right. If they're in the bottle, they're not doing their job. So we thought that, I think the reason it was presented with the 3 times a day and the 3 meals is thinking if you're a pretty, regular scheduled person, you're doing that. But I find that most people that I deal with who are moms and have crazy schedules, they really don't eat 3 actual meals a day.
Yeah, a lot of people don't eat breakfast, and I tell them, get the drops in.
Yes.
Even if you can grab some fruit or just get the drops in.
Right. 3 times a day. So if you're skipping lunch that day, you still take your drops. It's fine. Just make sure you didn't drink anything within 10 minutes of your drops. And bottle number 2, I absolutely loved when I first got started because I love my coffee. I still love coffee, but I had to drink coffee a lot to get through the day because I was exhausted. So you can take bottle number 2 as an extra little shot of energy in the afternoon. Now you want to do that maybe no later than 3.
Yeah. Because
it does have those great B vitamins in it, and it is going to give you a little bit of natural energy. So you don't want to do it too close to bedtime, but it was really good, especially that first month.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I loved that. Now I know you were committed when you got started 100%. And you went all in. So why don't you talk a little bit about the foods with this program?
Well, most people get kind of when they hear approved food list, they're like, oh, I can't do that. I can't be committed to only eating certain foods. But when I got on the drops and started the system, I'm the type that if I'm going to do it, I want to be all in. I want to get all the benefits. I want to get it, 100% just all in. So I did look at the foods on this approved food list. It comes in the booklet when you get your drops. You have the approved food list in here. And I did look at it, and I picked out the things that were my favorites that I know that I like. And you have your proteins and your vegetables and your fruits list and condiments, herbs, healthy fats, spices, sweeteners. There's tons of things on here, and it's really doable because you have a lot to choose from. So I took this list and I picked out my favorite proteins and vegetables, and I went shopping and I got my stuff ready. And it took me a week to start the drops after I got them, but once I got my mind ready to dive in and got my foods from the grocery store, I was all in. I stuck to the list. And one of my favorite things is the sample daily menu. I looked at this every day. I had a text on my phone with this on it, and I referred to it every day because I wanted to make sure I was having the right kinds of foods, but not only the right kind, the right amount.
Yeah.
And so this would tell you your portions and what type of foods you need to have for breakfast, your snack, your lunch, your dinner. So that helped me a lot. And so
that's actually a great tip, because a lot of people, when they get started on one of these health and wellness journeys, especially in relation to weight, they go calorie restriction. And I know we just talked about skipping meals. So
there's just some people that eat 3 meals a day.
Right.
But if
right.
they can have something to
Yes.
base, a guide that they can follow, even if they don't eat breakfast, and they go to lunch, they can just start here at the lunch. Still take your dogs.
Right.
And,
right.
try to get the 1,200
And
to
make sure,
1,250 calories.
make sure you're getting enough calories, or you're going to have a different issue. So that is great that is in there.
I love that guide, because I send that to everybody that I sell the drops to, because I know that it helped me so much.
Well, that's a good tip.
Yeah.
That's a good tip. So we have lots of fantastic testimonies. I know that we share those on social media all the time, and you see lots of pictures. But why don't you tell people how long you were on the drops for, and how much you were able to lose with the assistance of the drops?
Okay, well, I started in March of 2024, and that was March 6th to be exact. And by the second week of June, I was down 29 pounds and over 7 inches on just my waist. I wish I would have measured everywhere else.
Yeah.
But I measured my waist, because of course that was my main concern.
That's the big,
Over 7 inches there, and just feeling great. I'm just so thankful that I've found the drops, and that they're all natural and homeopathic, and that it's so simple to be able to follow the foods and the guide that is there. And it's just amazing. The first month I remember like 13 pounds, I think, within the first month.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So,
okay.
I'd have to go back and look at my records that I kept, but I don't know the exact inches in that first month. But I do know that by the second week of June, I was down 29 pounds and over 7 inches on my waist. Now I'm 32 plus, about 31 plus pounds.
Very good.
Gone. So
that is
and
awesome.
I'm maintaining. I'm maintaining with my good foods. Not to say that I didn't have a little holiday snack through the holidays.
Yes.
But I'm maintaining. I'm doing good. So
good.
My body knows what to do with that little bit of something, sugar or whatever that maybe I shouldn't have, but it's not affecting me like it did before.
Right.
So,
right.
And we know how to handle it and maintain.
But because you reset your system, which is really what happens with these drops.
Yes.
And so my story is a little bit different than Bianca's. I did not read the food list. I did not go shopping. I was going to just do it along with keto, because that's what I had done in the past and had worked in the past. And I thought, well, I'm just going to insert the drops into the mix of everything. So I did not see out of the gate the big transitions that some people do in that first month. So I had been stuck like gaining and losing the same 3 pounds over and over again. And the changes that I noticed in the first month were, the first week, absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my gosh, I've wasted this money.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to tell my husband that these things don't work, and, how am I going to get my money back? And he was so sweet and just encouraged me. He's like, just keep going. Nothing, I didn't think anything big was going to happen the first week. Well, I did. I thought I was going to lose 15 pounds. It didn't happen. So then the second week, I noticed that my appetite had decreased.
Yeah.
And I had eaten half of my bowl from Chipotle instead of the whole bowl. So I was eating at Chipotle. So again, I did not follow the food list very well.
Well, with your appetite decreasing, that's a big plus. I know not having that huge appetite and just being able to get satisfied.
Yeah.
So.
And in that moment, I heard my body say I'm full. And it stuck out to me, because how often did I hear my body say I was full? Now I might be stuffed.
Yeah, I was a clean my plate girl, regardless. If I'm full, it's good, I'm eating it.
Right. So that was a big deal. But then the third week, my sweet tooth went away. And that is my thing. I didn't even need the meal, just bring me the cheesecake.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I discovered I did not have a desire for the cookies when everybody else was eating the cookies. And I was like, this is awesome.
Yes.
I lost 3 pounds that week, but I did not get too excited about it, because again, I had that 3 pounds up and down. But the fourth week, when I got to the fourth week, I had lost 6 pounds, and you would have thought I had lost 50. I was so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, this is incredible.
Well, that's good. I mean, that's not only the weight, when that happens, you're losing the inflammation and the bloating. That was one of the best things, the bloating feeling leaving, like not feeling.
Yes, and even at 6 pounds, some people that were closer to me, I mean, like my husband noticed, and so they were like, are you doing something different? Like, because they could start to see something was going on, even though it wasn't dramatic yet, because it really works from the inside out. And so I, at that point, was hooked. And I was like, I need to keep using these drops, but I want to get them at the best deal possible.
Yes.
So what I did at that point was, I reached out to Bianca and I was like, I love these drops. They're working for me and I want to get them at the best price that I can. Yeah. And we really have 2 options for that. The first one is to become a preferred customer. And that way you submit your address, your telephone number, all of those basics. And then you get your own little number so that you can go online and you can order and you can get 15% off anything that you order because you are a preferred customer. Or you can put in a subscription, much like we do with Amazon Subscribe and Save, and get an even bigger discount. And that is how you can do, that's like step 1. Or step 2, you can do what we have done and decide to become a brand partner, purchase the drops in bulk, share on social media, and help other people find their path forward to health and hormone balance. So it's an easy, simple system that is all kind of set up for us. We get a little bit of money when we sell the drops, and we help you save money as well. So is there anything else you want to tell them before we go today?
Well, I think we pretty much covered it.
This is our first drop talk together, Bianca and Stacy. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope we answered all of your questions. If there's anything that pops into your head that we left out that was super important, ask it in the comments below. Reach out. Both of our contact information will be at the bottom. Let us know what you think. Have you tried the drops? What are your successes? Do you want to try the drops? What are the burning questions that you have? And I guess that's it. See you real soon.
That's a wrap.